How to hide an app on your iPhone and require Face ID to reveal it. All you have to do is tap and hold on an app. I'm going to do this for Instagram. And we have a list of options here. At the very bottom, or near the bottom, there's one called Require Face ID. Tap on that. And then you can either require Face ID and the app stays where it is, so it's visible to everybody. Or if we tap the second one, it hides it and it requires Face ID. So let's tap on that. Shows a little warning here, tells you it's going to be gone, essentially. Click on Hide App. Now it's gone. It disappeared from the interface. You're going to find some stuff in the settings about it, and you can find it in the hidden folder. To find that, you got to scroll all the way to the right. I've got lots of screens. Eventually you get to one that looks like this, and you will start at the top when you open it. If you scroll to the very bottom, there's a hidden section on the bottom right. Tap on that. It's going to require Face ID to open it, and there we see Instagram. Tap on Instagram, and it just required Face ID to open, and there we go. And now it's hidden again. If I tap on that again, requires Face ID again. So it's a lot of Face ID scans to make sure that's hidden. And this way you can hide apps super easily, and they require Face ID to access, which is pretty cool. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe, then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to lock apps using a PIN code instead of Face ID. Maybe you like that way better. Check out that video. I'll see you there.